If you're running a small business, you know you're juggling a million things at once. It's just part of the job. But what if the tools you're using every day, yeah, the ones you rely on, are actually making your job harder? Well, in this explainer, we're going to look at that exact problem and a really powerful and surprisingly free solution. So let me ask you, does this picture feel a little too familiar? You've got customer info in one spreadsheet, you're trying to track sales in another, and you're using like a dozen different apps that just refuse to talk to each other. If you're nodding along right now, you know exactly what that daily struggle feels like. We call this the small business juggle. It's that feeling of constant low-level chaos, just trying to keep everything organized. And it's not just frustrating, it's a genuine roadblock when you're trying to grow your business.
And these problems, they just create a domino effect, right? You lose a bit of customer info and suddenly your sales pipeline is a mess. All that disconnected data means you're wasting precious time on manual tasks instead of actually selling. It all just adds up to missed opportunities. These aren't just little annoyances. These are serious growth blockers.
But here's the good news. This chaos, it's not your destiny. There is a much smarter, way more streamlined way to manage everything and get yourself ready for some real growth. And that smarter way involves using what's called a customer relationship management platform, a CRM. And you know what? One of the biggest names in the game, Salesforce, is offering a version of their platform, the world's #1 CRM, to small businesses completely free. Yep, you heard that right. You can get started with an absolutely top-tier CRM platform with zero initial investment. And just to be super clear, this isn't some sneaky limited-time trial. It's a real initiative from Salesforce to help growing businesses like yours. So the key takeaway here is pretty huge. You get to try out this powerful, centralized system and see for yourself how it can change your business, all without any financial risk. It's a chance to really kick the tires before you ever think about a paid plan down the road. So, what does this actually look like when you start using it? Let's break down what you can do from the moment you sign up. Seriously, think of it as your new command center for your entire business. First things first, you finally get to ditch the spreadsheets. Just imagine it. All your customer data, all your contacts, your entire sales pipeline, all beautifully organized and visible in one clean, easy-to-use place. This is all about bringing some serious order to the chaos. And listen, this isn't some watered-down, barely usable version. You get accounts for up to 2 users with absolutely no time limit. The setup is designed to be super quick with guided help to get you going. Plus, you get tools for sales, service, and even email marketing, all baked right in. They even throw in a free Slack workspace to get your team collaborating. So the whole point is really straightforward. The platform is built to help small businesses like yours get organized, use your own data to make smarter decisions, and ultimately grow faster. Okay, I get it. Adopting a powerful new tool can feel, well, a little intimidating. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but what if I need help setting it all up or making it fit my business? Well, the great news is you absolutely don't have to go it alone. And this is where a consulting partner can be a total game changer. For example, a company like Maghraut Technologies, they specialize in helping businesses of all sizes get the absolute most out of platforms like Salesforce. And you can see they've got the expertise to back it up. Being a certified Salesforce consulting partner and a Google Cloud partner, well, that shows they have a really deep understanding of how these powerful platforms work. Their mission is all about helping businesses become more data-driven and agile. What that really means is they don't just install software. They work with you to make sure it's actually solving your business problems and setting you up for whatever comes next. So think of it this way. While you can start for free all on your own, having a partner like Maghraut means that if and when you're ready to customize or upgrade, you've got an expert in your corner to guide you and to help you get the best possible pricing for your business. Okay, so let's get to the final piece of the puzzle. How do you actually claim this free CRM and get started? I promise you the process could not be more simple. It really is just 2 simple steps. First, you visit the link we're about to show you. Second, you fill out a quick, straightforward form. And notice that last part, no credit card required. There's no catch, no fine print. It's genuinely free to start. And here's a look at the actual sign-up page. See? It just asks for some basic info to create your account. There are no hoops to jump through. You can be up and running in just a few minutes. All right, here is the link. This is your direct path to getting this incredible tool for your business. Go ahead and grab a screenshot or just type it into your browser. Which leaves us with one last really important question. You know your business is ready to grow, to get to that next level. But are the tools you're using today, the spreadsheets, the disconnected apps, are they really ready to take you there? If you decide to explore Salesforce and you think you might want some expert guidance, you can reach out to the team at Maghraut Technologies using the info right here. They can help you on your path to becoming a more data-driven, future-ready business. Thanks for checking out